Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection on a deck, and I wanted to share with you some of the things that we're finding here. Of course, we got us a nice little nest right up here, but what I wanted to share with you today was more of the rusting out of my hangers, my joist hangers. And you see what's going on is because we're getting a lot of moisture coming down through here, water, they're rusting away. Of course, that's what's supporting this. And of course, this one here is half of it, not even here. But if we actually have these rusted away, what do you think is going to hold our deck and our load? This is what you're looking for whenever you're in here looking at this. And what a lot of times on these older decks, it was because the wrong material, the wrong nails. You can tell by the nails which is rusted. Them are the wrong nails. You can see we got the right nails that are not rusted, but they just totally are falling, and this is what you're looking for. So anyway, I hope this video's helped. Give me if you ever need an inspection, deck inspection, give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Hope this helps you. Have a great day, and please share. We appreciate all your support. Thank you.